Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix pop noise coming from speaker while booting up Dell Inspiron and Vostro computer. Now in case if you have these model number, that is Inspiron 3470, Inspiron 3670, Vostro 3070, Vostro 3470, Vostro 3670, Vostro 3268, Vostro 3668 and Vostro 3669. So if you have one of these model number, so you may face a pop noise issue coming out of your computer when you are starting your computer. So while boot up, you may hear this high pop noise coming from speaker from these model number. So in order to fix this problem, you have to update the latest BIOS on your computer. So go to Dell website, that is dell.com/support. It's www.dell.com/support. Open this website, then enter the service tag number of your computer over here, and then click on search, or you can simply click on browse all product, select your model number. So you have to select laptop or desktop, whatever you have. For now I'm selecting desktop. I'm selecting Vostro. Here in the list there is a Vostro 3668, so it's 3000 series 3668. So select your model number or simply enter the service tag number of your computer and then click on search. You will see this page. Go to drivers and downloads. Now under category, select BIOS, then click on download to update the BIOS. Once you click on download, a small exe file will download. This one you can see over here. You have to run this exe file. Click on yes. Now once you authorize, it will update the BIOS. Now before you update the BIOS, just make sure that the charger, the AC adapter, is connected to your computer and the battery is more than 10%. And disconnect all the external devices from your computer, such as flash drive or hard drive. If you have external hard drive, anything connected to the computer, just disconnect the external peripherals, and then make sure the battery is more than 10% and the AC adapter is connected to the computer. And do not power off your computer while it's updating the BIOS. Now once the BIOS updates, the system will restart and then you can log in. And after updating the BIOS, this pop noise will go away. So this is how you will fix the problem. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Bye bye.